So what's going on, guys? It's Siddharth back here with another awesome and cool video. And well, today I have an amazing and exciting product for you guys. Yes guys, this is it. This is it, guys. This is the iPad mini 5. Yes, you heard it right. This is the iPad mini 5. We have the iPad mini 5 in the house, and today I'm gonna unbox it and show you some of its cool new features and what I think about it. And if you want more these type of awesome videos and a review of this iPad, then subscribe to our channel, because you're always gonna find these type of awesome and high quality videos. Well, without wasting any further time, let's get right into it. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the iPad's box. As you can see on the top, we have the side profile of the iPad mini itself in space gray color, and as you can see, this is the Apple logo. On the side we have the iPad mini branding, on the top again an Apple logo, and the opposite is also an iPad mini branding. Now taking a look at the back side, yes, we do have, I have a 256 gigabytes variant in Wi-Fi, iPad mini in space gray color. Obviously iPads are amazing in obvious color, that's the space gray, you know. Now I'm gonna unbox it, so yeah, let me just open it really quick. Yep, it's good, it's good, it's good. Let me keep that aside. And as soon as we open the box, we are greeted with the amazing iPad wrapped up pretty nicely. And this is what we expect from a company like Apple. The packaging is just top notch. It's amazing. And yeah, it's good. I like it. It's really good. And keep this box aside for a second and show you how it looks. As you can see, this is wrapped up in this type of wrapper, if you can see. Are you able to? And on the back we have the branding and everything here. Let me keep this aside and show you what are the other things. Now in the box you also get USB-C. No, it's not. It's an lightning cable that you got here from USB-A. I think so. It's USB-A to lightning. And again you also got a USB-A power socket. That's 10 watt Apple charger. I know it's not that much fast by any means, and I'm gonna test it also and tell you what it's like to charge it with this type of charger. And at least we are getting a charger. It's not like the iPhone 12s that are getting no charger at all in the box. So I'm happy with this charger only. It's good. So yeah, these are the only things. Now in the box you also get what do we say, this is designed by Apple in California. Obviously it is a must in an Apple's box or packaging, something like that. Opening it here, as you can see, there are a ton of stuff and manuals which we don't read, but yeah, as you can see, there's an Apple stickers, so that's pretty good and it's nice to have them. I don't know where I should just put them. I'm gonna save them for future. But we have literally nothing inside the box, so the box is empty. And now, the amazing part, unwrapping it. Yes, unwrapping it. Let me do that really quick, and I'm gonna show you everything. Are you able to see everything good? Yep. Let me do that. We have this pull tab here. Peel it. Oh, nice. Best part of the unboxing, you know. Keep this and save it. It's nice to have them. Okay, so this is the unboxing. This is the iPad, as you can see. Everything's nice and finish is pretty good. We have the Apple logo at the back. It's look pretty good, yeah. We have the iPad branding also. There's a camera here and two microphones, by the way, so the quality of the microphones are going to be really good. So these are the two bottom firing speakers and all that kind of stuff. These are stereo, by the way, the touch ID at the bottom, camera front facing 7 megapixel. I think I'm gonna check it then tell you. And now I'm gonna just power it on from this. And yeah, we do also have an headphone jack, and that's pretty good. It's nice to have it. And let me just turn it on really quick. Yep, we have the Apple logo here, and I'm gonna turn it on and then just set it up and then meet you later. Okay, so I have just set it up, guys, and as you can see, we do have the iPadOS 14.4.2. That's the latest, guys. That's the latest, and of course we expect it to be on the latest version because it's still in the production, and it's amazing to have it on my table here. And everything feels fluid, you know, everything is amazing, fluid, and just the way it should be. This is it, guys. As you can see, everything fluid. And of course, why it wouldn't be, it's the A12 installed it right in here, and it should be an amazing powerhouse. I have just installed all my necessary apps that I really want. Game also for your gaming video, Call of Duty of course, and everything is just really good. It's amazing to have it. Like, the iOS 14 is really good. I really liked it. The wallpaper is also amazing. Let me see what we have got here. Display wallpapers. See how many wallpapers do we have? Yep, there are 3 new wallpapers of the iOS 14, and also some of these of iOS 14.2, I think so. These were released later, and these are, by the way, dark mode ones. So let me turn that on, and yeah, as you can see. And let me show you one thing more. Okay, so guys, this display is a 326 ppi display. It's P3 wide color gamut, so everything is gonna be crispy and clear. Vibrant colors is what you can expect from this type of display. Everything is just so colorful. And one thing I do want to tell you, it's very good to have it, is that this iPad mini 5th generation is having the highest PPI display ever on any iPad. Yes, you heard it right. And by the way, this same design and the same display was also on the Mini 4, I think so, except that this is the display is in laminated one, so everything is just like you are touching it. The display is in touch with you, so there's no lag, and the refresh rate is 60. Of course, it's not an iPad Pro, but we can expect more refresh rate with the Mini 6. And now let me show you some of its cool features. As you can see, there's True Tone. Yes, there is True Tone, so everything would be easier on your eyes. What is actually True Tone is that it makes the colors of the display a bit more natural to your eyes, so everything looks good. And as you can see, the whites are here pretty good. I have just turned it on, and if I turn the True Tone off, you can see it's pure white, but when turning it on, the True Tone, of course, it's a bit more natural. I don't know if you can see this on the camera or not, but it's there. I can just feel it with my eyes. Okay, so guys, this was the unboxing, and you know what, everything was amazing. I really like the iPad, and a lot of more videos are coming on this. I will keep you updated with all the updates that are coming, and whether you should buy it, and reviews, impressions, everything, accessories. And also there's also an accessory video. I have already posted that on the channel. That was of the Logitech K480. So if you haven't seen that yet, I'm giving a iCard on the top, so do check that out also. And yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. It was amazing to have this. I really liked it, and I think so you also liked it. If you want more these type of awesome quality videos, then subscribe to our channel. I will keep you guys updated, and that was pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. This is Siddharth Dogra from Mastermind signing off.